Welcome to Infiniproxy, the largest pool of proxy IP addresses in the world. Infiniproxy gives you access to a virtually unlimited amount of proxy IPs via IPv6. IPv6 adoption is on the rise. Whether your use case is a marketing tool, programmatic, or privacy, we can help empower you. Supplement your existing proxy arsenal, or use IPv6 exclusively. Infiniproxy works with existing software and opens up new opportunities exclusive to online services that support IPv6 connectivity. For software developers, we even have an API for managing your IPv6 resources with us. Let's take a look inside. Once subscribed, you're given access to your proxy control panel. There, you can provision as many IPv6 proxy pools as you need across an ever-increasing network of availability zones. Start by choosing an availability zone. Then, your subnet and CIDR notation. We recommend starting with a 112 subnet. Next, pick a pool size. Pool sizes are limited to 10,000, but you can have as many of them as you like. We simply ask that you only provision what you need and delete IP pools when you're done with them. Now give your pool a name for reference. I'll call mine test pool. Then, a username prefix for connecting. I'll make mine test user. And finally, a password for authentication. Test pass 123. Now deploy your IPv6 proxy pool and stand by. While we wait, notice that you have readouts in the top. This includes how many pools you have deployed, how many proxy IPs you have in total, how much bandwidth you've used, and your subscription status. This makes it easy to keep track of your IPv6 resources. To the left, you can see that your pool was successfully added. You now have two actions you can perform on the pool: delete and export. Let's click the export button. This downloads the entire proxy pool in CSV format for viewing and for use in software. Let's try one out. Notice that each username is the username prefix you chose, followed by a number. Each one of these usernames corresponds to an outbound IPv6 address. Now I'm going to go ahead and use one of these proxies in a browser just as a test. I'll input testuser30, and since this is a pool of 100 proxies, that number could have been anything from 1 to 100. I'll select HTTP as the proxy type, 64,000 for the port, and the password I chose, testpass123. And there you see we were able to connect to Google just fine. Of course, as you can imagine, Infiniproxy has many applications beyond just browsing. I'm sure you can imagine the possibilities in having an unlimited supply of IP addresses. In addition to infinite proxies, you also get 24/7 support and free access to our IPv6 site checker and IPv6 sites list. So that's all for the demo of Infiniproxy, an innovation built to help you succeed. See you on the other side.